What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So it's NEO Fridays, guys, just like a look at BABA Fridays. So if you guys haven't checked out BABA, make sure you check out that video. And let's take a look at NEO on the daily chart. So let's see what happened since last week Friday. Well, since last week Friday, price has been basically neutral. It basically has been trading sideways, so not much in that aspect. But overall, the trend is still down, and there is this bearish momentum in play. So you can see that the floor or the support at the $5 level looks like it's about to fail based on the price action, and I'll go over the reason why. So look what happened when price hits this support level, the $5 level. It went all the way up to the high $5 level. Price came back down to the support level right here. It went up. It could only go up to the 537 level. Price went back down to the support level. It could only go back up to the mid $5.30 level. Got rejected off the trend line. Now we're back at the support level again. So you can see how many times we've been hitting this level and how many times and how strong it has been off of this level. So that shows signs of weakness by the bulls that they don't want to defend this level, and there's a high likelihood that we're going to probably see a drop down lower, especially with how BABA is looking as well, these Chinese stocks. And there's a good drop that can occur. You can see there wasn't a lot of support built up from this impulse from the 414 all the way up to the 558. You can see there wasn't a lot of support built up. So just as how fast it went up is how fast it can go down. So there's a good movement or a sharp movement that can occur towards the downside if this level cannot hold. No one knows the future. I don't know what's going to happen on the right side of the chart, but based on what I'm seeing, and once you see the details and the clues of what the price action is telling you, it looks like this level has a very low likelihood of holding. So there's a good chance we can probably see a breakdown of the 486 level, possibly all the way till the lower $4 level, because price is still below the trend line. You can see the buyers are not defending this. They're defending the level, but they're not aggressively buying off the level as they once did. And bears have incentive to drive down the price. This is a impulse right here. They're trying to replicate the future impulse towards the 326 level. Because this was a prior volatility and impulse and strength of the bears, there's a good chance they could replicate that same in the future. So the target is at lower prices for the bears. So overall, just bearish for NEO. It's been below the $6 level. It's been below the $7 level, below this long-term trend line right over here. I'll show you guys on the weekly chart. Everything is pretty bearish except for prices holding that $5 level. So again, it's all about probabilities, not certainties. It's all about attempts, not guarantees in the market. So the bears are attempting to go lower with a higher probability, but there's no certainty in that, and there's no guarantees. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that last week was bearish. This week is most likely going to close bearish as well. More sideways trading than anything with a slight bearish imbalance, but overall still down. So not looking good. You can see that price is still below this long-term trend line right here. Holding very nicely. You can see that we have two swings right here. You drag it over. We got the third swing. We just got the fourth swing right here, late September. And price is still trending down lower. So don't see any reversal signs as right now. It would have been nice if price can get above that $7 level. That would have been a huge reversal sign. But since it got rejected from that trend line and that level, the bear market is still in play. All that was a correction or a retracement in this bear market. So it was just a opportunity for traders to enter short again in this market. So again, it looks bearish short term, and long term is up in the air. But again, if it continues to stay bearish in the short term, then the long term picture also looks bleak as in the future. So again, that's all I have for NEO on the daily weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.